Hi, my name's Juliet. You might remember that last week I said I was going to show you more ways to get your text to change from one colour to another. Well, this is a second method. We're going to be using a filter to change the intensity of a colour in Shotcut. This could be used if you want to change a colour from a very deep colour to something less intense, or vice versa. And I'm going to change it using a keyframe. Set your cursor at the start point and activate the keyframe with the stopwatch button. Move the cursor to the point where you want the colour to stop changing and adjust the saturation as required. This is what it looks like. Obviously, stopping before the end of the scale will keep some of the original colour. So that's your second method of changing text colour using a very simple filter. You can also use this same method with filters such as contrast and brightness. Next time we're going a little more complex. If you didn't see the first text colour changing video, that's the one here. Thanks for watching, and if you subscribed, I'll see you again next time.